Hello, before we do a update video, please subscribe to my friend, the Fire Safety Touch. Sorry if I said that wrong. Please subscribe to him. He is a really good friend of mine, helping me out with door closers. And I would like to congratulate him for 371 subscribers. Congratulations. If you're watching this, congratulations. Subscribe to him. Next on my list is JLD902, also known as the Door Closer Doctor. She is at 94 subscribers, almost 100. Please go subscribe to her channel. She has also been helping me out. A really good friend of mine. So if you're watching this, I want you to congratulate on 94 subscribers, almost 100. Man, can you help my friends out? I don't know. We'll see you in the video. Hello everyone, this is the Random Channel Eli here, and today I am making a update video of my Norton Door Closer. It's just gonna be a random update video of it. Yeah, when I got it, looks like there has been some paint sticked onto it, and your valves are up top. Your valve nearest the piston is your sweep, farthest is your latch, and somewhere here that is your back check. And yes, it hits the door because I didn't quite mounted it right. Yeah, see, I didn't quite mounted it right. So it's gonna hit the door. Oh, the Door Closer Doctor or the Fire Safety Touch. If you know how to activate the hold of it, because that shoe is a hold open feature. So if you know how to operate that feature or twist that knob, please let me know in the comments. But yeah, I still have the closer. I didn't do nothing with it. And probably from now on, every time I make videos, you're going to see this laptop. This laptop is my video making assistant. So say hello to the random computer, we'll call him that. And I'm going to update you guys because when I get paid, I am going to get 2 new closers. So this is the closer I'm gonna, sorry. Okay, so this is the new closer I'm gonna get. It is a universal hardware closer. Now you may be thinking, this might be a TEL version because it has 2 valves. Actually, you're pretty wrong. If you know what Nortons are, not that Norton, but the older Norton, it has 1 valve. The 1 valve controls 2 speeds at one time. Well, this is like a Norton, but newer, I guess. Now, you may be wondering, is that the TEL version? Actually, no, it is not. Because, so here's the TEL. And the tail has 2 valves for your sweep and latch. And this one only has 1 valve, just like this one here. But that one's small. So that is the first closer I'm gonna get. Like I said, it's just like that one, kind of, but if you can kind of tell. Door closer, doctor, fire safety touch. If I was right about all this, please let me know also. Please tell if I'm right. That only has 1 valve. These have 2 valves. The 1 valve controls the sweep and latch, just like the older Nortons. So that's the first one I'm going to get. Let me know what color do you want me to get. Either white or brown. Let me know. Now, the second closer I'm going to get. If I can... Okay, here we go. Here is the second closer I'm going to get. Another Universal Hardware. Now, this one is expensive than the other one I first showed you, which is right here. What do you think, door closer, doctor, and fire safety touch? Should I get this one? And if I do, what color do you want me to get? Silver or brown? Which color do you want me to get? Leave your comments in the comment section below. So that is today's video. Everybody say goodbye to my assistant, and we will do one more demonstration.
Time for another hour of 80s, and this time around we're checking out some of the biggest albums of the 80s. In fact, albums that had 5 or more singles. We're from Whitney Houston and Janet Jackson this hour, and we'll start the hour off.
Alright, thank you for watching.
6 singles.